So this is a small video of how we can automate with Caerusone. So basically in the Caerusone we can go and define our processes. There is a full support for OpenCV, using computer vision, using automation, robotics, CullieX and others to basically do a lot of tasks. And to find out what all methods are available, the methods are available in a class called automation helper. So you can go through the class what all methods are available. These methods are available in the graphs which are defined here. You can drag and drop and build these graphs individually like each component, or you can also use a script code where you can script the automation code here. So, and what this basically does is this is built on computer vision. So it says move to image, this defines the graph, and there are certain, if for example what this graph does is it starts, it initializes it waits for 4 seconds, then runs a script, automation script. The automation script is basically says get the mouse location, which is current location, keeps the location, then right clicks, then waits for the open with icon, then it says okay open with paint icon, then it says okay paint file menu, which is basically file menu on the paint application, then it says paint.save as, so we save the application image as, and then we select JPG picture. While saving, if there is a conflict, the image already exists, it will ask us whether it will a confirmation dialog box whether we want to override it. So that's if there is a override, then we will just save the override, and then we'll close the icon and move the mouse to where our original location is. So this is basically goes to the automation. So once we do, we can save it, and all of this is available as a single module too. I have just used this script to for my faster work. And the right way to do it is have individual components defined as blocks. So we can say define a workflow for saving something or doing something in certain applications, right? So let me show you how to run it. So we basically design, we save the design, we call it this. That recent actions, I will run it, and then what it does is it waits for 4 seconds, then it will right click, then it will find open with paint. So basically that is how to open with the paint app. Then it will go say paint.save as, and then we tell it JPG picture. It will try to save it in the downloads, and it has done the saving, and then it will close the app and go back to where the original location was. So this is the original one. Let's take a look at one more time what happens if I run it again, right? So if I run it again and then again select my image that I want to do it, so here it's again doing the same thing. Open the notepad, open the paint application, saving in the paint as JPG. While this time I think there should be a conflict, then it knows there is a confirmation dialog box pops up, then it will say okay save it as there, and then exit. So that's how you can automate your process. And there is a wide library available for computer vision, detection, text, AI, Google. So you can use a lot of things to write your automation graphs, and then you can again script it or use individual component. Thanks.